69 since India went under a lockdown to contain the spread of the coronavirus, but it's also the first day that India begins a massive unlocking exercise after spending over 2 months under lockdown. This next phase of the lockdown is going to be far more relaxed, and there are many more eases given this time around. The big development from today, June the 1st, is that 200 passenger trains are going to resume services. These trains will be fully reserved, having both AC and non-AC coaches. Tatkal and Premium Tatkal booking is not permitted on these trains. Only people with the confirmed tickets are permitted to travel. Now let's take a closer look at what's happening in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Now the Delhi-Noida border is still sealed. Noida has decided to keep the movement, cross-border movement, very restricted since the local authorities here believe that most of the cases that are being detected in the district are actually being imported from the national capital, which is one of the second worst affected states by COVID-19. Now, even as the shutdown in Uttar Pradesh has been extended to June the 30th, but salons and beauty parlors and supermarkets can also open in the state, provided they follow all hygiene guidelines, and the staff here at salons have to wear gloves and face shields throughout the service that they give. Uttar Pradesh has allowed the movement of intrastate buses, that is just within the state. Apart from that, taxis and auto rickshaws can also ply. But buses have to ensure that all passengers get a seat. No standing will be allowed. Besides that, all markets can open from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. on alternate days. Markets, weekly markets in rural areas are permitted, and supermarkets can also start opening on the condition that they follow social distancing norms and all hygiene guidelines. Besides that, government-run offices will also start on full strength, and the employees, however, will have staggered timings. The shifts are 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. and 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. Apart from that, the big change this time is that the MHA has permitted the reopening of malls and places of worship. Whether Uttar Pradesh allows this or not, in which areas remains to be seen, but the government has said that these activities can resume in places that are least affected. So the least affected places will allow places of worship, hotels, restaurants and malls to reopen. And there are certain activities that still remain banned throughout the country, and these are the reopening of gyms, swimming pools, cinemas, schools and international flights. These may once again restart in the month of July based on feedback taken from stakeholders. These are all the updates today. Thanks for watching.